Hello and welcome back to Vipin Coding. So guys, this is our next session for Python quiz. If you are new here, then subscribe our channel, and if you have not watched our previous videos, then please watch first them and then watch this video. Then we will move to our first question of this session is, what will be the output of the following Python code snippet? This is our code. Then what will be the output we will get? Our first option is 4321. Second is error. Third one is 1234. And fourth is none. Let's see the answer. It will reverse the list. 4321 is our answer. This is the code that reverses the list. This code reverses this list. Okay. Next question is, what will be the output of the following Python statement? A plus BC. First option is BC. Second is ABC. Third is A. And fourth is BCA. Let's see the answer. ABC. Plus operator is a concatenation operator. It will concatenate two letters, words like this, right? Next question is, which function is called when the following Python program is executed? F equals to FOO, format F. First option is str string, format str format. Let's see the answer. F equals to OOFO, format underscore str underscore braces. Both str f and format call f underscore str underscore bracket closes, right? Next question is, which of the following is not a keyword in Python language? First one is pass, second is eval, third is assert, fourth is non-local. Let's see the answer. Our question was, which one of the following is not a keyword in Python language? That is, answer for this is eval. Eval can be used as a variable. Okay. Next question is, what will be the output of the following Python code? Class tester define underscore init underscore self id, self.id equals to str id string id, id equals to 224, temp is a variable equals to tester 12, print temp.id. What will be the output? Let's see. Our options are 12, 224, none, error. Let's see the answer. Answer is 12. ID in this case will be the attribute of the instance. Got it? So, thanks for watching.